Let's see here. A pendulum is hanging from the ceiling of a car, right? You can see in the diagram itself. Yes or no? The pendulum is hanging from the ceiling of a car, right? And the car is accelerating at a naught. Yes or no? Find the angle made by the string with the vertical, right? At equilibrium. Also find the tension in the string in this position, right? Student, if the car is accelerating forward, so definitely this pendulum, which was initially at this position, it will get a pseudo acceleration in the backward direction, right? Yes or no? Can you imagine that case? Students? Manish, Suraj.
Yes.
So if I'll go for drawing the free body diagram of this pendulum, then see, in continuation, I can draw. Let this is the support from the vehicle, right? Initially, it was at this position, but due to the acceleration, it will be a position like this, correct? Yes or no, students? This will be the position of the pendulum, and this angle made by the vertical is theta, right? Yes or no? If this angle is theta, students, then I can resolve these components into this. Students, see here. If I'll go for the free body diagram, then the weight of the pendulum will be acting vertically downward direction, right? That is mg, yes or no? And if this is the tension, then if this is theta, this component will be t cos theta, yes or no, students? And another component of tension will be along this direction, that is t sin theta. Is that clear to all? Srishti?
Yes, sir.
So as the total system, the moving platform is moving with the acceleration a naught. So if the pendulum mass is m, bob pendulum bob की mass जो है वो m है, तो ये पीछे की तरफ उसको एक pseudo acceleration मिलेगा, that is known as ma naught, right? Understood? Yes or no, students? So by seeing all the forces, I can write, you can write t sin theta is equal to ma naught, right? Yes or no? And t cos theta is equal to how much? Mg, yes or no? Correct, students? So if you're dividing both equations, t will be cancelled, then tan theta you can get is equal to cancel, that is a naught by g, yes or no? So from this case, you can get theta is equal to tan inverse of a naught by g, right? Yes or no? Students, understood? Students, you got the value of theta, right?
Yes.
Okay. And it is with the vertical, that theta angle is with the vertical, right?
Yes.
Next, we're interested to find the tension. Then we have already solved this type of questions. How to find tension? We don't want to cancel it. Then do one thing, the squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, right? Right? Squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, right? We can write there is t squared sine squared theta plus t square cos square theta is equal to m square taking common a naught square plus g square, yes or no? And student, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Then we can taking common, we can write t square is equal to m square plus a naught square plus g square, yes or no? Then if I'll be saying about t, then that is tension is equal to m root over of a naught square plus g square, right? Is that clear to all? Students, clear na that one? Students, see here in this question, there is a wedge, okay? This is the wedge, that's the triangle shape you are saying. This is the wedge, right? And it is moving with the acceleration a in a acceleration a, it is moving in the leftward direction, yes or no? Let student, the wedge moved a distance x, right, in time t. In the same time, the block falls from a height h. This is the height h, right? Yes or no? With acceleration g, getting or not, students? Time is a common parameter. Some time interval, let this wedge move the distance x in time t, right? The block has to also move a displacement h in that direction with acceleration due to gravity. Yes or no, students? And initially both are at rest, yes or no? Initially both are at rest or not? Then for this block, if initial velocity is equal to 0, then I can write x is equal to half at square. We can write or not? Just say me. Initially block was at rest, s is equal to ut plus half at square, but u is 0. So for the block, can we write x is equal to half at square? Can we or not? Wedge. This is the
Yes, sir.
I'm saying about the wedge. WEDZE, right? So can we write x is equal to half at square, correct? We can write or not? Students. Next, for this block to fall freely, can we write h is equal to half gt square, right? When something falls freely, the displacement is h and the time taken is t. Yes or no, students? When it's falling freely means half is half gt square, na? And value of block A is something given. For what value of A the block is falling freely, then we can compare both the equations. By dividing both the equation, you can see x by h is equal to how much? A by g, na students, correct? Yes or no? है कि नहीं students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if I will say you, or I want to find cot theta, then say cot theta is going to be how much? Cot theta is going to be how much? See here.
Yes, sir. 1x.
Tan theta is equal to p by b. If I'll go for tan theta, then that is p by b. I'm saying about the acceleration. See here, one acceleration is in this direction, right? Acceleration due to gravity, correct? And another acceleration is in this direction, right? This is A. Yes or no, students? If from this triangle I want to see, then the acceleration is in this direction A, and this is G. Yes or no, students? This is perpendicular. If this is theta, this is perpendicular, this is base, right? Then if I'll take cot theta, then cot theta is equal to A by G. Yes or no, students? Correct?
Yes.
Or tan theta is equal to G by A, P by B. Yes or no? If I'll go for tan theta, then there is how much? P by B, G by A. Taking both the acceleration common frame of reference. Getting or not? Ayush, Sisti, Subham. Option is given in cot theta.
Yes, sir.
So cot theta is equal to A by G. Yes or no? And if I'll be giving the relation between x, h, and ag, you can see x by h is equal to a by g. You got na? That's why only I am writing this is x, this is h, x by h. If I'll take tan theta is equal to that is equal to how much? H by x, right? Yes or no? And from the relation only we found x by h is equal to a by g. Then we can also write tan theta is equal to a by g, right? Here h by x, so tan theta is equal to, we can write g by a. Getting or not? So acceleration is equal to how much? For what acceleration? G cot theta, right? This is a question, previous year question, right? Understood, student, this concept is right? Yes, it is asked in the question, for what value of A, right? For what value of A, block slides up, the plane, right, with an acceleration g, relative to the inclined plane, right? फ्रेंड्स, अगर ये इस तरफ एक्सेलरेट कर रहा है वेज, तो ब्लॉक ऊपर की तरफ स्लाइड करेगा, ठीक है? और कितना एक्सेलरेशन पे? जी एक्सेलरेशन पे, रिलेटिव टू द इंक्लाइंड प्लेन, ठीक है? सो जस्ट नोट द क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. Friends, see very carefully. One thing I would like to say you here, कि स्टूडेंट जब ये ब्लॉक, ये इस तरह हमने ब्लॉक बनाए, ठीक है, कोई भी एक पोजीशन पे, ठीक है, दिस इज द ब्लॉक ऑन द वेज, ठीक है, जस्ट रिमेंबर द कॉन्सेप्ट. ये इस तरह एक्सेलरेशन पे अगर जा रहा है, तो ये जो बॉडी है इसको किस तरफ सीडो फोर्स मिलेगा? इस तरफ मिलेगा ना स्टूडेंट्स. अनदर एक्सेलरेशन है, यस और नो? मान के चलो, आप जस्ट थिंक, इमेजिन अबाउट द कार. एक कार जो है सामने के, ये जो कार के सामने वाला ग्लास आप इमेजिन कर दो, है कि नहीं? जब एक लीफ आके यहाँ पर मतलब आके गिरता है, तो जब कार आगे की तरफ जाता है तो वो चिपक जाता है ना, यस और नो? व्हाई? Car is moving in forward direction, but it is getting a backward direction acceleration. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
That says pseudo. In the initial case, we also did the same concept here. This is moving upward, so it is getting a backward acceleration, right? Here also we did the same thing. It is going in this direction. And in this question, we also try to introduce that concept, right? If the block is moving acceleration A, then it will also move in. If the mass of the waves is m, then it will get a x force in the backward direction, that is ma. Yes or no, students? Understood this part all?
Yes.
That is known as pseudo force. Okay? The force that comes into being, not visible, but it comes into being, right? And if this is theta, student, weight always acts vertically downward, mg. We can take two components of mg, right? If this is theta, then this is theta, right? This is mg cos theta, and this is mg sin theta. All understood? Understood about the mg component, students? Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Students, see about this ma component. If I will take a straight line like this, if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, then again this angle is going to be theta because this is total 180 degree. Yes or no? These two are perpendicular. Yes or no, students? If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, then this angle is going to be theta, right? And if this is ma will be having also two components. That is, one is ma cos theta, this side, and another component will be along this side, that is ma sin theta. Yes or no? Is that clear to all or not? The same.
Yes.
Friends, the body is sliding in upward direction. Definitely, the ma cos theta will be greater than mg sin theta. Yes or no? Because some force is acting in upward direction, ma cos theta, and another force is acting in downward direction, that is mg sin theta. So the F net is going to be how much in this case? F net is going to be ma cos theta minus mg sin theta. Is that clear to all? The net force acting on this block, yes or no? Because we don't know at what acceleration the block is going to move, yes or no? But that is the F net acting on the block. Amrit, yes or no? Aira? Manish?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that mass is having m, let it is moving upward with the acceleration a dash, right? And that, so we can write f ma dash is equal to how much? Ma cos theta minus mg sin theta, correct? Yes or no, students? Getting or not? Students got? All understood or not? F net is ma into a dash is the acceleration with which it is moving. Though in the question it is given a dash is equal to g. Yes or no?
Yes,
A
sir.
dash is equal to g. May give a dash is equal to a by 2, a half, whatever may be given. Just I am trying to make you understood the concept of the question. Clear or not that one? Then from
Yes.
a, if you will cancel m from everywhere, then what you will get? A dash is equal to how much? A cos theta minus g sin theta, correct? Yes or no? And student, that a dash is equal to g given in the question or not? Then we can write g is equal to a cos theta minus g sin theta. Yes or no? So then a cos theta is equal to how much? Bringing to one side g plus g sin theta, na students, correct? Yes or no? So then a
Yes,
is going to be how much? Taking g common, that is 1 plus sin theta whole divided by cos theta, correct? Yes or no? So that is equal to a is equal to g whole into 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. We can write like this, yes or no? So that is a is equal to g into 1 by cos theta is sec theta, students, plus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, right? So that can be the expression for a, you remember? Just write it.